Alright, Lego Fanatics, we're back. Got some more parts here that I'm going to do, so I'm going to take these two. I'm going to put this together like this. I'm going to take this one and put it right there in the middle, like that. And I'm going to take this one here, and this one here. Yep, I'm going to put this one here, and I should have another one of these with a hook on it like that. Okay. Oh, I see what I was doing. Okay. Well, that's really ridiculous. Nope, I see what they're doing. I was like, why is that like that? That looks weird. Okay, so this, let's do this right. So it looks right. Okay, so we're going to put this one here. Whoop. We're going to put this one here. Then I'm going to take this and put it back on here, like that. Then we're going to take this and go bump, like that. No. Okay. I got it a little bit screwy there. There we go. That's better. Alright. Act like that. There we go. Then this is going to come back like this and be equal to that. And then these two are going to go like this. There we go. That's what that's supposed to look like. Yeah, okay. I've got this upside down chain slope that I'm going to put right here. This gray Technic connector. Just going to go right there. Okay. Now I'm going to flip this and I'm going to put yep, this one here. This one here. And that's going to go there. And this is going to go here, like that. I'm going to take this little white flat plate and put it there. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Boom, to-doom, to-doom. That one like that. And then this one like that. And voila! Okay, now that I have this thing like this, did I do that wrong? I think I did that wrong. Let me look and see. Yep, I did that wrong. Okay. That is backwards. Okay, so then this comes off of here. This one comes off of here. Always be able to fix your mistake, no matter what. You can always fix your mistake. Always. I dropped it. Alright, I'm back. Like I said, you can always fix your mistakes. Okay, so let's put this on there correctly. I see what they're doing now. And this one should be like that. Okay, there we go, there we go. Alright, now I'm going to put this one here. I'm going to put this bar here. If I can get it on there. There we go. Okay. And then I'm going to put this here. Let me look this right quick. Okay, I'm gonna put this here. Oh, I see how they're done. Okay, cool. Yep. Then I'm gonna put, well, I have these two. Oh, I forgot to put them there. Okay. These two go here. Okay, let's put this back over. Whoop! Oh, I gotta stop dropping things. All right. This here, this here, this whoop, here. Come on. There we go. This here. Sometimes our fingers don't want to cooperate. All right, and then this. Ooh, I gotta pick this up carefully. It's gonna go right like this. Right like okay. I don't think it's supposed to go in there like that, but right like that. And then I'm just gonna pop this around so I can pop it on there, and voila, it's in there. So that's what it should look like right there, just like that. Popped in behind, button on the bottom, and there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.